Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about hiking gear, hiking tips and tricks, and everything you need to know about hiking. Today we're going on the Paperbark forest walk in Agnes Water, and we're starting at the car park, so follow me! Woo! Alright guys, let's go! You can see that there is a little track going there, so because it's a loop, you can't really miss it. Woohoo! Alrighty, this is the sign for the Paperbark Forest Boardwalk. It's a grade 3, and as you can see it's just a really small loop, but what we're about to see is absolutely fantastic. So follow me. Woohoo! Wow. Wow. Absolutely stunning. So the most common tree around here is the paperbark tea tree, and it's commonly found on the east coast of Australia, but it's just super beautiful and so unique. Let's have a look. One thing that I do notice is that there's so many mosquitoes around. Ah! Look at this. I'm getting bitten while I'm filming this. Ooh. Alright guys, so when I was here in Alright guys, so when I was here in 2014, I had the best experience here because they only just created this walk, and there was a local guide with us, and he actually shook one of the trees, and the butterflies that came off it was just incredible. Now I've been told that I'm just out of season here, but I'm gonna try and find one of those trees and see if you can have the same experience. Okay, I'm determined to find a tree with butterflies, but I don't think it's gonna be for today, unfortunately. Maybe season's over. I haven't seen one butterfly. Keep looking. Oh no, and I've got this massive bite on my forehead. Oh, interesting. This is a tree. Let's have a look. Okay, so what they used to do is just give it a little shake. I have no idea what I'm expecting now. And then the butterflies used to come out. Yes, I found a butterfly. Come on, let's do it. So same as the tree I was looking at before. Just shake the tree. But the difference is that this one has green leaves. And guess what? This is one of the butterflies that I was talking about. And in season, there's millions of them. So let's see if there's more in here. Let's just shake the tree. Just one? There's this one. Okay. Alright guys, before I get eaten by mosquitoes here, I'm just going to decide to get back here with someone who knows a lot more about this than I do, and hopefully we will be able to find one of those butterfly trees. Okay, let's get out of here. Stuff is just amazing. It's like a curtain. Yeah, we're gonna try and shake this tree, but I doubt it. Alright guys, so this was the Paperbark tree walk in Agnes Water, and as you can see it's just so beautiful. Didn't see any butterflies, but honestly it's not the end of the world. And I literally got eaten alive by butterflies. Not by butterflies, but mosquitoes. And I literally got eaten alive by mosquitoes. I probably killed 100 of them. So yeah, if you come here, definitely get some mosquito protection and maybe some long sleeves. But yeah, it was awesome. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.